This is Afsana Awal. Today I will take our English class and students. Our today's topic is just look at the board. SPB, that means Spelling Practice Book, page number 24 to 26. Okay, SPB, that means Spelling Practice Book. So let's start our class. Look at the board. This is your spelling practice book, page number is 24. Just look here, there are some words with U. U for uncle, under, uniform, umbrella, umpire, unicorn. So, just look here. What is this? This is the picture of an umbrella. So U-M-B-R-E-double-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-double-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-double-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-double-L-A, umbrella. And now just look at the picture. Who is this? This is the picture of uncle. So U-N-C-L-E, uncle. This is the picture of uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Now look at this picture. What is this? This is the picture of uniform. So we have to write it here. Uniform. This is uniform. U-N-I, uni. F-O-R-M, form. Uniform. U-N-I, uni. F-O-R-M, form. Uniform. U-N-I, uni. F-O-R-M, form, uniform. So in page number 24 we have learned three spellings: umbrella, uncle and uniform. Now go to the next page, page number 25. Now this is V. So just look at the book. There are some words that starts with V. V for van, vase, violin, village, vulture and vegetable. Now look at the book. What is this? This is the picture of a flower vase. So this is vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. Now what is this? This is the picture of a violin. V-I-O, viol, L-I-N, lin, violin. V-I-O, viol, L-I-N, lin, violin. Now what is this? This is the picture of a van. And students, you have to color the picture. So you have to color the picture at your home. And this is van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. So in this page we have learned several words with V, vase, violin and van. Now page number 26. W. So just look, there are some words that starts with W. W for watch, W for well, wheel, W for window, omen, wolf. So just look at the picture. What is this? This is the picture of a watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. And this is the picture of whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale, that lives in water, in the seas. W-H-A-L-E, well. W-H-A-L-E, well. W-H-A-L-E, well. And this is the picture of a woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. So in this page we have learned watch, well and woman. Students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well, take care.